So the weather is nice today. And here's what I'm doing. Filipino way barbecue. This is a tocino. This is marinated overnight. This kind of dish is more on flavorful. Very good. Delicious. I'm super thankful that the weather today is nice, and because yesterday it was very windy. I could have not get this done. Can't get this do it outside if the weather we have today is similar to yesterday. I'm sorry. So ayan na. This is already, I'm already just putting some last coating. Final coating. Final touch. This is how I play. Ayan ha. Sa mga nag-iisip that wala lang, I don't want to say that today. So yes, yan yun. Nandito yung okay. Sarap nito. Paris ng rice with the sausawan, which is the spicy sausawan. Yummy. This is how you do it. Get it something better. Masarap yung sauce talaga niya na kumain sa pagka. It's like a toasted with the sauce. Just make it yummy. Okay, this is already done. Thank you for watching. Bye.